I'm in the shop today, new hair. And so today I'm going to show you how I ended up creating these nails. I seen this picture here, and like I talk about in all my videos, I'm literally not interested in hand painting at all. So these are the nails that I created. So we're gonna go through, and I'm just gonna show you how I did the dice. But if you want me to do the other ones, just let me know, because this was a special request set. So I ended up making 2 of them, and this one is gonna go in my press-on shop online. But if you want to know that, then comment below, and I will do a tutorial for the other ones. This is specifically from the New York, the NYC Stencil bundle that I have listed on my website. So yeah, if you want to see that's what's coming up next. Let's make a cute little dice nail, and we're going to use the dice. They come in the NYC bundle pack. I'm going to link everything below. Now, this masking is imported. I do cut all the stencils myself. You can find this and so many others, like I said, linked below. But this is what you do with this one. You do the little cubes first. And I also have seen people use these to make ice. Do with that information what you will. And then I'm using acrylic airbrush paint over a matte top coat. And guess what? Boom, works fine. Then you put the little dots over there. And it's a very stretchy vinyl, so it can literally conform to the nail shape, which is why I really like it. And it's not too crazy sticky where it's going to pull off the paint from the design below. So boom, like that also. I'm doing it again because on this set I wanted to add 2. Now all the stencils used in this little set, I was actually making it as a press-on set, are in the NYC bundle, available on my site, and all airbrush. So yeah. Okay guys, see now, listen, I want you to tell me what you thought about the design and how easy it is to do. Will you try it out? Comment below. Will you try it out? Why am I asking you this? A lot of us are thinking that we have to be creative in order to do nail art, and we do not have to be creative. We literally just have to have a plan and follow it. It's literally technique. It's not creativity. Believe me. Believe me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you so much. And I will see you guys in the next video.